Hey guys, Scott Riordan here. I've been part of the Trail Boss class December 1st to the 3rd. I'm excited to be here. It's been an exciting 3 days. Actually took some of the tools that we learned yesterday, and I've actually got my first flight tomorrow to make some money. So looking forward to learning more. I want to join the Sky Network. I'm actually working on the funding for that. I like to pay the cash in full, so I'm going to do that too, just because I think the tools within that will help me grow faster. But just from the normal class, I've already got my first gig tomorrow. Going to go take the bird out and fly. So, and it's I got my 107 2 weeks ago, and this will be my first paying job. It was a referral from a realtor friend, and it's going to be $500. So just easy pitching it, offering it. And the guys, well, but the lowest price I've got so far is 1,000. I said, well, you know what, I'll give you half off that and do it for 500 if you could do it tomorrow. And he said, okay, let's do it. So actually talked to him this morning during part of the class. So anyway, but yeah, I'm excited to go. I'm glad to offer my testimonial with this. I have already recommended to a couple of my friends looking at potentially bringing on some employees, and I told them they need to at least take this part of the course to learn where my mind is and what I'm thinking.